In order to open your own Etsy store, you have to first open an Etsy account. Click the Sign In button. Then, click the Register button to register. To create your shop, simply click on Sell on Etsy. Then, click on the Open Your Etsy Shop button. Next, follow Etsy's setup guide. This is where you will set your shop's currency, name, inventory, payment method, and more. Let me dive deeper into the inventory step. Don't feel pressured to list everything. Use this step to understand Etsy's listing interface. Click Add a listing. Take a moment to understand all of the details that you need to provide in order to create a listing. Then, fill in the details for your first listing. You can preview your listing by clicking the Preview button at the bottom of the page. Unfortunately, you must create your first listing before continuing your Etsy shop setup. But no worries, none of your listings will be active yet. So, you can simply create a test item to move forward with the setup process. Once you completed all of the required details for your first listing, click the Save and Continue button. Then, click the Save and Continue button again so that you can finish the store setup. The next step is for money lovers. Set up your payment method so that Etsy can pay you when you make a sale. Then, set up your billing information so that Etsy can charge you for listing fees and transaction fees. And, last but not least, click the Open Your Shop button. Congratulations! Now your shop is open to the public. If you created a test listing and want to delete or deactivate it, click on the Edit Shop button. Then, click the test item that you want to remove. After that, you can choose whether you want to deactivate your item or delete your item. The choice is yours. Know that deactivating your listing will require you to pay a fee to reactivate it. Since this is a test listing, I do not suggest deactivating it. Instead, delete your test listing. Once you are ready to stock your shop with a full or even partial inventory, you can add a listing at any time. Congratulations! Your new Etsy shop is up and running. Check out our other videos to learn how to market your amazing products and shop. Have a great day!